Arigato Magic.
Hey, did you know that arigato means thank you in Japanese? Yeah, it's like a magical word that brings miracles. That's awesome! Let's learn the magic arigato phrase today. Are you ready? Let's begin! お日様ありがとう Thank you, sun. The sun is shining in the sky, bright and warm, a true blessing we have. In Japanese, the sun is called お日様 お日様 You can also call it 太陽 太陽 Why are there different ways to say sun? Well, 太陽 is a scientific word for the sun, and お日様 is a more casual way of saying it. Kids usually call the sun お日様 I see. A sunny day is perfect for playing outdoors. Naomi is very happy swinging in the sunlight. お日様ありがとう Thank you, sun. お日様ありがとう
ありがとうマジック。